global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
You hardly come to anyone. How come you are here?
See, first of all, I was free in the morning today. So, and when I was told that this is about this, so I said I have to make it a point to go and see it. When I saw the song for the first time, when I was sitting outside, I saw it on the phone and I realized that, oh my God, I did the right thing for coming here. I was so happy, so proud of both of them when I spoke to them, that youngsters could think about doing something of this sort. So, very happy to be here.
It's a good start when 26 January is around the corner.
It's
A
like
message,
yeah.
a beautiful message to the whole country.
Very good message, very, very good message. That today, every day we listen on we hear every day that itne jawan shaheed hue, itne jawan shaheed hue. At that time, we don't even realize what is happening on the border. And to see something like this, people might realize that what must be happening to their families. वो तो हमारे लिए मर जाते हैं, but what about their families? We have stopped thinking. As a nation, we have lost sense of humor and all are fine, but we have stopped thinking also. We have stopped being empathetic to people.
Okay, do you get emotional when you saw Main Amar Ho Gaya, the video? Do you got emotional?
I did get emotional, but more than that, I felt very proud. Very proud to be an Indian. Very, very proud to be. I think that is also what we have forgotten, to be proud Indians.
Okay, you being part of the industry, you know what going at the moment. You know when we talk about Padmavat, the controversy around the film, Kanni Sena, there's so many people who are opposing the film. You are part of the industry. What's your take on that?
See, when it comes to any form of art, people say that art cannot be bound by certain things. But when we are making something that is history and historical, so we have to take care that we present the right thing, and I think he has presented the right thing, because it was done before also in Bharat and Bharat Ek Khoj also, that episode was done. So the story, we all know that Jauhar had happened. We all know the story. As students, we have studied in history that what had happened at that time. So I think it has been presented. I don't know how they are hurt or in which way they have felt something, that maybe they must have thought, maybe. This is my assumption, my complete assumption, that even in the Bajirao Mastani, Sanjay ji showed Kashi and Mastani dancing together. Or even in Devdas, it never happened in the novel, but Chandramukhi and Paro were shown. So maybe they thought that there might be a sequence like that or something. I don't know, something must have, just triggered the whole thing. And then everybody has joined, all the royal families and everybody has joined in the whole thing. So even, I don't know how it has become so big.
We just interviewed the people who just came out of the theatre and they're visiting the film.
Of course,
in fact, they're saying that they have shown the Rajputana in a very
nice way.
In a nice way.
I am sure he is a very sensible filmmaker. How can I have worked with him? And it was an experience of a lifetime. And there are few things in my life which happened at a time where, they were like experiences of life. So he's a very sensible person and a very sensible, very fine filmmaker. So to question him is also something of, but I don't know what must have triggered. Nobody has realized from how and where it started.
Thank you so much, Aparna ji. Okay, somebody. Okay. कोई इतनी दिग्गज आपके काम को सराह रही हैं, कितनी हौसला अफजाई होती है, कितने गौरव की बात।
एक तो ये गौरव को तो अपन शब्द तो दे नहीं सकते, क्योंकि शब्दों में शायद इसको नहीं समेट पाएंगे ये बात को अपन, लेकिन एक ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बहुत ही बड़ा इनका एहसान है हमारे पे कि इन्होंने एक फ़ोन पे सिर्फ हमने इतना कहा कि एक फौजी के लिए हमने ये किया है, तो उन्होंने कुछ और पूछा ही नहीं, सिर्फ इतना ही बोला कि भाई एड्रेस क्या भेज दो, मैं आपसे पहले हाजिर हो जाऊंगी। और रियल में ऐसा हुआ कि यहाँ 11 बजे का टाइम था, हम पहुँचे 11:30 बजे और दीदी आ गई थी 11 बजे। बहुत ही अच्छी बात है, प्लीज इसके लिए तालियां बजाई जाए एक बार। और इतने बड़े स्टार, इतने बड़े सेलिब्रिटी, 1 मिनट भी आगे पीछे नहीं, 1 मिनट आगे, बट एकदम टाइम टू टाइम, यानी ये देख के बहुत ही खुशी होती है अपने को कि आज भी भारत देश काफी प्रगति के पंथ पे है और जो चाहे वो अपना देश कर सकता है, क्योंकि अच्छे लोग इन जैसे अपने देश में बसते हैं।
ओके, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपसे लास्ट पूछना चाहूंगा।
बस मेरा तो मैसेज यही है कि हम यंगस्टर जो है ना वो देश के लिए कुछ करें। हम अपने लिए तो सब कोई करता है, फैमिली के लिए सब कोई करता है, पर हमें हमारे देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए। हम बॉर्डर पे नहीं जा सकते, हमें पता है सब बॉर्डर पे नहीं जा सकते, पर जो भी हम अपने पूरे दिन में 10 मिनट भी अगर देश के लिए अगर कुछ अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं तो वो करना चाहिए। बस यही मेरा मैसेज है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू अब्बा जी।
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.